I'm still reaching out to your classmates. I'm going to scroll down, let you do the others. Please remember that you're supposed to draw the diagram. So as a matter of fact, let me just stop here. Just in case you haven't drawn the diagram, please remember you're expected to draw the diagram, not freehand drawing, but with a ruler. With a ruler. So let me stop here where you're seeing another 3 questions, and everyone should draw the diagrams. Good morning. Good morning, Gabriel. All right, so we're going to get started. The topic, finding the size of each missing angle. So we're finding missing angle in a triangle. So we're going to write down some properties of a triangle before we get started. We go any further, we're going to write down some properties of a triangle. All right. So good morning to everyone joining here on Zoom and joining on YouTube. All right. Remember that this is a free class. So everyone should be making use as much as possible of this free class. All right, and share the link. Don't keep the link to yourself. Share the link. All right, share the link so that others can be a part of it. All right, so we're gonna look at some properties of triangle first, and then after we look at those properties, then we're going to look at solving some of these questions. So the first thing is, what do you know about a triangle? What are some of the things you remember about a triangle? What are some of the things you know about a triangle? Anyone can unmute and tell me what you know or what you remember about the triangle?
Miss, triangle measures 180.
All right, so that's the first thing we're going to write down. Yes, Marla. Marla, remember that you're building on that confidence now. So go again and tell me with confidence. Tell me with the base voice.
Miss, triangle measures
Not
180
ready yet.
degrees.
Still like a friend. Marlan?
Miss, triangle measures
Marlan?
180 degrees.
Marlan?
Yes, miss. Yes,
Marlan?
miss. Yes, miss.
Marlan?
Hello.
We need it to sound
Yes,
strong.
miss.
No want it to sound puny.
Alright. Miss, a
Okay.
triangle measures 180 degrees.
Give me some word. Angles.
Oh,
So go
oh.
again. The angles
Angles,
in a
the
triangle.
angle, the angles on a triangle
In a
measures.
triangle adds up. So it adds up. All of them adds up to 180. So go for me again.
Miss, the angles in a triangle adds up to 180 degrees.
Beautiful. So that's the first thing you're writing down in your book. The angles in a triangle adds up to 180 degrees.
Miss, I wasn't
Repeat it
near
one more time for me, Marlon.
Miss, the angles in a triangle adds up to 180 degrees.
Thank you.
Miss, I wasn't near the phone to like write down all the questions. I was just at number one, miss. So I went for
Okay.
something.
All right. So I want you to always show great interest in your work. We put effort into your work. Don't do the work and let it look what must I say now? Don't do your work and let it look untidy and messy, all right? So make sure you put effort. Oh. Make sure you put effort into your work, enjoying your diagrams.
So,
Alan, did you
read it.
send the link just now?
Me, miss.
Oh, hold on.
I just said this is the link.
You sent the link in the group just now?
It was I just like
Oh, you highlight it. Oh. Alright, let me copy and send it. Thank you, Marlon. Alright. So tell me something else about a triangle. One property down. Tell me another property.
There are 3 types of triangle.
There are more than 3, but tell me the 3 that you know.
Miss, scalar.
Scalene.
Scaling, right angle triangle, and isosceles. So those are the 3 that's all.
Alright. Equilateral.
Oh yeah, and that.
Obtuse. Marlon, why is oh, thank you. Alright, obtuse. Acute. So write down the types of triangles. So let's go again, Marlon. Tell us what you remember.
Come on, miss. Alright, so I remember right angle triangle. Miss scalar. What you say?
Scalene.
Scalene triangle and isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Is equilateral triangle you said, miss?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle. Miss, those 4. Miss, those 4 are the ones I remember.
All right. Which will so far? Which will for? Why? I'm allowed. Anything else that we know about a triangle? How many sides? How many angles?
Miss, 2 angles and 2 sides.
Okay. Somebody said 2 angles and 2 sides. Is that true? How many sides does a triangle have? How many angles?
Miss, I think 3 sides and 3 angles.
You think? Or you
Miss, I
know?
know.
Okay. Can you
Miss,
look
I
at
know,
one of
Miss.
those
Three
triangles
sides.
and show us? I'm going to give you annotation permission. Look at one of those triangles and show me the 3 sides and the 3 angles. Any triangle you want to select, just highlight the 3 sides, the 3 angles.
Angles. Miss, and these are the sides.
Okay. All right, so the triangle is closed, and that's where the triangle is the first shape, right? So it needs 3 sides to close any shape for you to call it a shape. For you to close it, it needs at least 3 sides. So the triangle is the first one, 3 sides. What's the other one that comes after triangle? What's a 4-sided figure called? Or 4-sided shape?
Quadrilateral.
Yes, quadrilateral. What is a 5-sided shape called?
Pentagon, Miss.
Huh?
Pentagon.
Yes, pentagon. It seems as if it's only one child in this class this morning. Marlon, don't answer any more questions. Please answer. What is a 6-sided shape called? So if you go on the exam and they ask you to draw a 6-sided shape, what are you going to draw? All right, for example, not ask you to draw a 6-sided shape. Suppose you go on the exam and they say draw an octagon, draw a pentagon, draw a heptagon, draw a hexagon. How do you know what to draw if you don't know which side the figures have? Yes? Or do you know what to draw? If you don't know the sides, don't know which figure have which side. All right. CSEC says it's called a hexagon. All right, well done, Stacey. And what does a 7-sided figure call? Yes, Natasha, it's a heptagon. What is an 8-sided figure called?
It's an octagon.
Yes, an octagon. What is a 9-sided figure called? Yes, Nastasia, nonagon. Yes, Stacy, nonagon. What is a 10-sided called? All right. So we're going to work out the angle here. Who wants to help me to work out the angle for the first one? Who wants to go? All right, let's go, Marlon.
Miss, so to find the angle for A, Miss first you have to add all the angles. 180 plus 160, not 180, 80 plus 60, miss, and you go get
Marlon, write
140.
for me.
Miss, and then
Write and teach at the same time.
so first you're going to add 80 and 60. And you go get 140. And when you get 140, you know that all your angles in a triangle adds up to 180. So so you can place it at 180. So you go subtract 180 from 140.
Subtract 140 from 180.
Yes, miss. And you go get 40. And then you go, and that's the missing angle. And if
So
you
what x
want
equal to?
40, miss.
Something missing from the 40.
Degrees.
Beautiful, well done. All right, Marlon,
Yes, miss.
you continue with the others. If anyone wants to join in, you just join in. But if not, we're not going to hold up the class. We're just going to continue. If you have a question, you ask it, unmute yourself, or raise your hand. Otherwise, Marlon will just continue to work out the questions. Remember, you're responsible for your own learning. If you do not understand something, or you do not know something, you're responsible to make it be known. Peter? Somebody in the waiting room.
Miss, I just said them.
So everybody that has co-host permission, when the person show up, you let them into the class, please. Which one are you doing now, Pete? Marlon? See?
I just
Just
realized that
promote.
I missed B. C.
Yeah, just rub out what you have there and just write in the answers. Don't work them out anymore. Just write in the answers.
So 90, 130.
Tell them how you get 90. Explain that one. How you get 90? Please.
Cause the box right here. This is a right angle triangle, and it always has a
When you see that
little
little box, what does it tell you?
that side of the angle measures 180. Not 180,
That
90
angle
degrees.
measures 90
90
degrees.
degrees.
Mm-hmm.
90 degrees. And 130, 50. Yeah. And 20.
All right, Marlon, I don't want you to be writing in like that, no? I want to be doing this. X equal. Just put X equal, continue. What the answer is.
Okay. Okay. Two. Miss, can scroll down. Erase that, miss.
Not yet. In a minute, we erase it. Like person get the opportunity to check their answer. Matter of fact, let us erase. So erase. Marlon. They just need to see the answers.
No, she's not allowing me to erase again. So I can't erase. 1900, 170. 7, 3, 6, X, 1900, 135, 1, 5, 4. And 71, 96. Let's see. Three, um, of course, okay, 150, 75.
Marlon, explain this one. With the two strokes on the side, what does that mean, Marlon?
That the two angles are measures the same.
Equal. So let's go. Please
Equal.
make a note of that. So when you see those two lines on the sides, it tells you that the two sides are equal and two angles are equal. For you know which angle is equal, you just do a thing like this. Draw a line from that side that have the stroke down to the angle that is pointing at. So that's one of the equal sign, and draw a line from this one down to this one here. And that's the other equal one. So you know now that definitely those two angles are equal. Come over here same way. You see the stroke here? Draw a line from it. Which angle is it pointing to? That angle. To that angle pointing to. Draw a line from this, so which is it pointing to? That angle. So we know that they are equal. All right?
This is 52.
Marlon,
Yes, miss.
please draw the lines and show them how they get the equal angle, which angles are equal this time again, so that they can see from different angles which one are equal. So draw the line. So you look at the side that has the marking, and after you look at the side that has the marking, draw a line from that side to the angle that is facing that side, and draw a line from the next side. Show me now, Marlon. Absolutely amazing. Good. Nice. So that way you know which angles are equal. So you know where to put the next 55. You know where to put the next 78. You know where to put the next 56. See? Good. Absolutely amazing. Continue working, Merlin. You're the star of the show today. All right, Marlon, you're doing good so far. All right, so equilateral triangle. Now, what do you know about an equilateral triangle? What do you know about an equilateral triangle? Anybody can answer. And as I said before, I want everyone to participate, but if it's Marlon alone that is participating, that's okay.
I mean, Miss, is it that they have equal angles, Miss?
Yes, so all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. So if you don't know that, go ahead and write that down for me now. Equilateral triangle, all the angles equal, all the sides equal. So if all the angles and all the sides are equal, every angle in an equilateral triangle, doesn't matter how it look, when it come, where it come from, the angles are always how much degrees? When it comes to an equilateral triangle, the angles are always the same. It doesn't matter where you see the equilateral triangle. It doesn't matter how big it is, how small it is. All the angles are the same, and all the angles are always
They're always equal.
they're always equal. So yes, what's the value?
Miss, is it 90, Miss?
All right, so check for me if it is 90. Check 90 plus 90 plus 90 and see if we get 180. Because remember, all three adds up to 180. So check for me now. 90 plus
No,
90 plus
would not be.
90. All right.
Would not be 90 because 2 9s is 18.
All right. So go ahead now and try another number.
Not be 90.
degrees.
How much?
60.
Yes,
60
it's
Miss.
definitely 60 degrees. All
Yes,
right,
Miss.
so go ahead and write it down, y equals 60 degrees. I hope you all are drawing your diagrams, and writing down your questions, because
So,
answer without question makes no sense, because when you're revising, you don't know what those answers were for. You don't know how the question was asked, what the diagram was. So you'll only be seeing answers and they will be of no use to you when you're revising. All right, so let's go down to the next one. Oh, it's 7 o'clock. So that brings us to the end of our lesson for today. Thank you all for joining here at Mathematics Resource Center. If you haven't done so as yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that share button. All right, tell a friend about our class. Let them come on over to our channel and subscribe. Be a part of the Mathematics Resource family, where we cater for all educational needs, but specializes mainly in mathematics. But when it comes on to education, we have the information first. All right, so go on over, subscribe to our Mathematics Resource Center on YouTube. Also, please go ahead and share the links. The free CSEC class, the free prep class on a Wednesday, free CSEC class every day at 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And if you don't have the link, just message me and I'll send the link on to you. All right? You'll find my number somewhere on Facebook, on YouTube, on somewhere there. As a matter of fact, let me write on the number so you can have the number. You can contact me on WhatsApp. And please remember our workshop coming up, Pepability Workshop. Melody?
Yes, ma'am.
How many persons you tell about Miss Hunter Pep Workshop?
Haven't done so in a while, but I sent out the flyer some time ago.
You need to do so in a while now, Melody. Please, I'm gonna
Can you
send you
send
them.
me, please?
Yeah, I'm sending them. Marlon, how many persons you tell about the workshop? Marlon? Marlon gone quiet. Stacy, how many persons you tell about the workshop? Stacy gone quiet. Everybody gone. No, sir. Since we start about workshop, All right. Peter,
Yes, miss.
see people them were gone since we started our workshop. We feel let them in tomorrow morning.
Yes, miss.
Why we feel let them in?
It's work purpose.
Work purpose. All right. Anything Peter said? All right, Peter, how many person you tell about the workshop?
Miss, I post on my status, so
That
is
is
how
not
many
telling them
person.
about it. Posting on your status is different from you telling them,
Miss, I put it on
listen,
my status, miss.
I have a great maths teacher. You need to tell them, tell your neighbor that I have a great maths teacher. You're not excited about the workshop. You don't have a great maths teacher.
Yes, miss.
So you're keeping the maths teacher to yourself. You're not sharing it with people.
Miss, I share it. Miss, I share it, miss.
On your status, but when you tell person by word of mouth, they have more belief in it to say, yes, man, I want to try that teacher.
Okay.
So thank you, my darling. All right, Shan, Damara, please go and share. All right. Oh, Miss Carlin is here. I didn't even see when it came in. Oh, I know I heard the
I
voice
was the
sounding
one that
like
was
you, you know.
answering you, miss. I was
I
the one
hear
that
the
was answering.
voice.
Yes.
I didn't know you're coming, man. All right, please share, please share, please share, please share. Nastasia, please share. All right, Melody, I'll send those over to you now, honey. So please share so that Miss Hunter can get enough students.
Okay, miss.
That
I'm
workshop.
always cheering, so I will continue. And I will also tell others today about it, miss.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yes,
And not because I don't share that, no means that Miss Hunter gonna stop keep the free class them. I'm still gonna keep the free class them.
miss.
All right. Thank you all for joining this morning. And do join us again tomorrow at 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Have a blessed day. Remember to put God first. And remember, don't give up. Struggle might come, but don't give up. God bless you all.